Hey there y'all, happy new year. So in today's video I want to show you guys my simple and easy way of styling and molding my hair. So without any further ado, let's get it. So you guys know that I'm loving my short hair, so I'm going to show you how I style and do my hair. So a couple of things that I use the styling strips from Sally Beauty. I use wrapping lotion. I use a rat tooth comb with the really tight combs, and I use water. And also I use a styling setting lotion from Design Essentials. Yes, I still use natural hair products because I still want healthy hair, okay? So first things first, I'm going to wet my hair, and this is just to get my hair wet and prepared to get styled and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to go all around and spray my hair until it's wet. It seems like I just got my hair cut and my hair is already growing back fast. Like I have new growth already. Don't know why, don't know how, but my hair is growing, so it's gonna be time to get another cut. So I'm going to take my rat tooth comb and I'm going to put my part, because I like to kind of get my hair set so that way I can swoop it to one side, or whatever side I'm feeling like swooping it to, I put the part over there. So after I'm done doing that, I put the wrapping lotion on my hair because it helps to set it, and also to kind of, put that extra soakness on my hair to prepare for it to be molded. So with this comb, I love using this kind of comb because it helps to stretch out the hair. Like I said, I don't like to put heat on my hair when doing this style, so I like to use this comb to help stretch it, to help straighten my hair. So I'm just going to take this comb to just go through my hair. Like I said, my hair is growing back already. I got new growth, so I have to like kind of comb through my scalp to help straighten and to help flatten my hair as well. But yes, y'all, I am loving having short hair. Like, why did it take me so long to step out of my comfort zone to do this? I'm just loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through, just keep smoothing my hair and just getting everything situated. When it comes to my edges, I just like to go back with my rat tooth comb and just kind of, give my little, I won't say give a hairline, but I just like to, give a little shape in the front just to go ahead and get it situated. And I do the same thing with my edges, my sideburns, my beads in the back. I just like to shape it and get it ready to be molded. So once I'm done doing that, I will take these good old strips and just put them on my hair. One thing I love about these strips is that they stretch, so all I have to do is just stretch it, and I try not to stretch it too much so that I don't rip it, but I like to stretch it and tie it and put it in place. When it comes to the front, I try not to put it or tie it on top of my hair. I try to tie it like at the top of my forehead, just so that way I don't leave a mark or I don't leave like a little lump at the top of my hair, because that's quite embarrassing. And then I add about 6 to 7 strips on my hair because I just want my hair to be extra protected at night, especially when it comes to molding and setting, because the first molding and setting is, that's the foundation. So I just want to make sure that the foundation is set. So after that, I put my silk scarf on and I'm ready to go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Once it comes morning time, I take all the strips off because I'm not walking around with these strips around my head. So I take them off. So once I take the strips off, my hair is molded. I love it. And I'm ready to start my day. So I like to add some oil sheen just to give me some extra shine on my hair. So I love this style because it's so easy, it's simple to do. Like I just wake up, take my do-rag off or my silk scarf off, and I'm ready to start my day. And I just love this style. So after I do take off my strips, I like to go back and put some edge control, flick my hair down like on my sideburns, because sometimes the way, depending on how I sleep, it will, you know, get all over the place. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope it was easy. Now you guys know how I style and mold my hair. So if you guys would like more short hair tutorials, which I will be doing soon, let me know down below, and I got y'all, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.